I think having colourful flowers in your home is a constant reminder of the beauty of nature and how spectacular it can be, and how it really is the ultimate designer, because you really don't find anything more perfect than the colours produced by nature itself. My name's Ruby Barber and I am the founder and creative director of Mary Lennox. We are a flower studio based in Berlin. Flowers are definitely a universal language. They're sort of, positive for everyone, and everyone has an emotional connection to them. I think the most effective way to work with flowers is to try and mirror nature. I think that is what, people like to have flowers in the home, because they do want to feel connected to nature, and in that way I think the flowers should look as natural as possible. The colour range from Carl Devay is very muted and very elegant, and also very modern, I think. So that's what we were going for with the flowers and the forms. We were hoping to sort of create something minimal and modern, but at the same time something very elegant and luxurious. Adding a natural element to any man-made environment definitely softens the whole space. But for a home or for a bathroom, I think it's nice to have flowers that are really kind of harmonizing the interior. So working with a medium that is so emotive in the first place makes it very easy to affect people with flowers.